In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a file in Zoho WorkDrive. Zoho WorkDrive is a cloud storage platform that offers a collaborative space for your team to manage and share files seamlessly. Whether you're working on individual projects or large team efforts, WorkDrive can be a pivotal tool in keeping everything organized and accessible. However, sometimes it becomes necessary to tidy up and remove files you no longer need. And that's what we're going to focus on in this tutorial. First, once you log into Zoho WorkDrive, you will land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see several sections like Recent Files, Favorites, Shared with Me, Collect Files, My Folders, and Team Folders. This layout is designed to give you quick access to the files that you interact with most. For now, let's concentrate on locating the file you want to delete. Navigate to the section where your file is located. If it's a file you've opened recently, it might be in the Recent Files section. Otherwise, you may find it under My Folders, if it's a file you uploaded, or under Team Folders, if it's been shared within a team workspace. Once you have located the appropriate section, click into it to see the list of files. Now find and select the file you wish to delete. Hover your mouse over the file, and you should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the Actions menu, which gives you several options regarding file management. Click on this icon to open the menu. Once the menu is open, look for the Delete option. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation message. This step is crucial because it ensures that you don't accidentally remove important files. Carefully review the confirmation message, and once you're certain you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm the deletion. It's worth noting that when you delete a file in Zoho WorkDrive, it is not permanently deleted immediately. Instead, it goes to the trash. Trash acts as a safety net, allowing you to recover files if you make any mistakes. If you need to permanently remove the file, you'll have to clear it from the trash. To do this, look at the left sidebar where you'll find the trash option. Click on it to enter. Here you'll see a list of all files that have been temporarily deleted. Find the file again, and just like before, click on the Actions menu next to it. Select the option to permanently delete the file. Once you confirm, this action cannot be undone, so double-check and ensure you're ready to let it go for good. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a file from Zoho WorkDrive. Whether you're freeing up space or just doing a bit of digital housekeeping, understanding how to efficiently manage your files is key. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.